Yo, what is up guys? It is Boustedt and I run the Takeover shop where I sell editing assets and presets for content creators just like you. In today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to get the Iman sort of jitter text effect that he has in most of his videos. And honestly, this effect is like super easy to do, super clean. And once you get all the effects together, then you're actually able to save and create a preset for later projects. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this tutorial and hop into Premiere Pro. Alrighty, so first things first, you guys want to go ahead and just type out your text. And the way you do that, you just go over here to the text tool, select, and then I'm just going to do text. I'm just going to fill it out to where I want it. I'm going to center the text, so just like so. You guys play with your font, whatever size. I'll just make mine pretty big. So first things first, let's go ahead and add a gradient to the text. And the way you do that is you go over here, go to fill, go to solid linear gradient, and then I'm going to do it white to like sort of like a darker color. Let's go ahead and just play with the values. Let's make sure the entire text is selected before we do so, otherwise it won't work. So let's go try that again. Maybe just a little bit darker like that. Cool. So you can see like a very clean gradient going on right now. Looks actually pretty clean. And now let's go to the effects tab. And in the effects tab, we want to look up posterize time. And then we're gonna set this to 7 frames per second. And this kind of adds like a sort of like a stop motion effect. And that's like kind of what we're going for. And then also once we get that completed, we're gonna go ahead and add turbulent displace. And then this is where we kind of get like that jittery sort of look, almost like handwritten. And as you can see, it looks pretty crazy right now. So we're gonna actually turn the size. We want this size to be pretty small. So maybe something like that. The amount, we can turn the amount down to like just something super subtle, maybe like so. Maybe turn this size down a bit as well, just like so. Okay, cool. And then now as you see, it plays through, but like nothing's happening. So like, how do we fix that? We go through and we go to the evolution, and the evolution is kind of what allows it to animate. So you go ahead, hit the clock animation, get it to 0, and then you put it to the beginning, and then you just go up in value, and it's gonna go ahead and like sort of morph the text a little bit. Just maybe go up to like something like maybe like some 2 times, whatever, just whatever looks good. And you drag this all the way to the end of your clip, and then let's go ahead and see how that looks. So right now it's actually looking a little bit too slow. So let's go ahead and actually make this a little bit faster by just turning up the rotations. I just did 5 evolutions, and then we'll go ahead and actually make sure that the posterized time is working. So you actually want to go ahead and put the posterized time above the turbulent displace, and then we will see if that works. Yo, real quick before we continue with the tutorial, I want to let you guys know that the Ultimate Solo Creator Bundle is out now. And hands down, this is the best product that I've made. I've spent the last 1.5 years creating this preset pack, so that way I don't have to keep doing repetitive tasks. And through this kit, I was actually able to optimize my workflow. So now I don't spend hours and hours each and every single day editing content. Like now editing is just a simple drag and drop process. And like, I genuinely mean that. I use these presets each and every single day, and they're actually pretty gas. So if you want to be able to edit like me and plenty of other dope creators online, go ahead and check it out down below in the description. And let's get right back to the video. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and check it out. There we go. That's way better. So we actually have the effect, but now to sauce it up, let's go ahead and just add some noise onto the text. And then from there, we'll actually be done. Just go ahead, throw like 15% noise, maybe even just a little bit more. Yeah, that looks pretty dang good to me. So cool. That is the finished effect, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to create the preset real quick. So you guys just wanna hold Command, select all of these, right click, save preset, and type in like jitter animation, just whatever you wanna name it. You don't have to be too specific, and then you just hit okay, and then it'll save into your presets. For me, I actually have this preset along with 30+ other presets already made for you, specifically for short-form content editors. So if that's something you'd be interested in, link down in the description. So let's go ahead and delete all of these real quick just to show you that the preset works. I actually have the jitter animation right here. So let me just go ahead, drag and drop it, and then render it. All right, so after just a few tweaks to the amount and the size, we have this text effect. And as you can see, it looks pretty freaking good, and it makes editing that much simpler. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any other tutorial recommendations, please leave them down below. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, take action, take over. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.